Okay, let's test it out again. First, let's try it with the paper. Okay, so these are the materials I use. Okay, this one of course for the saw, and this one for my hand, and this one for my of course the saw for this. And then yeah, this is the item that could turn this, to put this energy to here, so it could spin this. And this is the one I'm gonna be using for my hands, just a package. Let's go. So okay, I hollowed this part out so it looks like a saw. I don't know if I can cut it though. Good enough, I guess. We'll just see. Clearly I've tried to do my best. Nah, this is not what the drawing looks like, bro. So okay, this is the finished product, and look, so there's a handle right here which you can turn the motor on. There we go. This is level 1, see, and this is level 2, see, and this is level 3, and this is level 4, level 5, and this is level 6. Okay, this is the fastest. This is dangerous though, that's why we look at that. So the handle is inside and the battery is on the side. Okay, let's test this out. Okay, we have 3 tests. First is a simple paper, second is a coupon band, and third is a cardboard. Okay, let's see. For this paper, okay, let's try. Oh shit, what the fuck? Okay, let's test it out again. First, let's try it with the paper. Oh. Did you all see that, bruh? Okay, the paper is clearly done. Next is this one. We'll test it with this one. They're all assignment. Okay, let's try it on number 3. 1, 2, 3. Right. Let's test it out. But I need to hold it with something. Oh hell. Okay, clearly it cut off the coupon band. Next is, where's the cardboard? Okay, so this is the last one we're gonna be trying. Okay, let's test it out. Oh, that is just the tape, but holy hell. Look at all those, bro. Damn. Completely obliterated those, bro. Hell. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. Subscribe, y'all. Mark one of these tech, I guess. More videos to come soon, and please subscribe, you know what I'm saying, so I can make more. Not weapons like this is for cleaning, okay? if you want to cut your papers so you can use it cleanly, of course you're gonna use this, right? So this is not a weapon, this is a device that can help you cut papers, and this video is only for educational purposes only. Okay, don't do this at home though, it's dangerous. All right.